I'm gonna show you how to recreate this gorgeous red eyeshadow, red lip, red cheeks. What's up guys, my name is Nyasha. Welcome to Vlogmas. I am recreating this look that you guys requested and I know you guys loved this look. The main focus today is the eyes and the lips. If you want to see how this video goes, please carry on, watch it. I posted this look right here and you guys were like, wow, how did you do the eyeshadow? What kind of lips did you use? And I knew I should have recorded it. I am still doing holiday inspired makeup. I tried to do the same hair, lips and eyes today. So let's get the foundation and base on right now. Now that our base is on, first thing you need to do is make sure you prime your eyes. To prime my eyes, I'm using the Ultimate Base from Makeup Revolution. I want to make sure that our eye base is ready for this red color. I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. I'm going to be going in with this orange as my transition shade, and then I'm going to go in with this red. I'm going to blend that orange color just on the top of our crease, and this is going to act as a transition shade. This is why it's important to prime your eyes. Make sure you got a nice good eye base. You could also use concealer, but make sure it's a matte concealer. Go in with the red eyeshadow, and it's like a fiery red, which is this one. You can use whatever palette you have that is similar shade. Putting this shadow on, and I love the fact that it's super pigmented. I like to move the red eyeshadow just on top because, like I said, I have a little bit of a hooded eye. I winged it out. Then I go in with my liquid liner. You know, simple, you guys. You see, super wearable. But what I do in the waterline is what makes it a little more dramatic. Ooh. Mascara from Makeup Revolution first before putting the lashes on, only because I feel like then they hold them up better. I'm gonna use a red eyeshadow under my eyes. Actually went in with a liquid lip, and just be careful when you do this. I already have a bit of blush, but I do go in with that red blush as well. I don't know why I was doing this, but I was just playing around with the same kind of, just like strawberry makeup, but I feel like this is like the dramatic version. Okay, so far we're looking good. We're gonna put some lashes on. Like, lashes for me does it. The lashes I got from TikTok shop actually. Set our face. If you ever wonder what makes me glow on my videos, is this right here. Just on the cheek area. This is so pigmented, so I gotta be careful. Ooh, child. You see what I mean? To warm up my face, even though I feel like it is already warm, I just feel like there's a healthy glow. Time for the cherry cola lip combo. Get your own. If you got a red lipstick or a red liquid lipstick, you could also do this. A black liner, a brown liner, because it's a lip combo. That means it's not one thing or two things. With my liquid lipstick from Makeup Revolution, this is in the shade Glory. I got this from TikTok shop. Oh, it smells like candy. Tastes like candy. So I'm literally just putting it near that brown. when it comes to lip combo, guys, it's all about blending. So I'm just gonna blend it with my, just tapping it like this. Brown again. What made this look pop was the gloss. It's a clear gloss. What the gloss does emphasize everything. Guys, lip combos are all about blending, adding, putting on and stuff. So I feel like it's a little bit more darker than how I did make it on the first try. So I'm going in with my beauty mark. I just go in with a bit of my banana powder. The cherry cola lip is a lip trend going on right now. So this is the final look, guys. Nice, super easy, holiday friendly look. If you like those bold type of looks, you can always turn it down on the lips and don't put too much red, and then it just becomes a beautiful, or even put a black in the eyes and it becomes a smoky red eyeshadow. Perfect for dark skin tones. Also, if you're fairy tones, just turn down the red. You can also rock this look. That's one thing I like this look, and I'm so glad that you guys asked me to recreate it, because I was thinking, oh man, I should have recorded this. Thank you guys if you're enjoying these videos, and if you're liking this vlogmas that I'm doing, please hit the subscribe button. I see you watching but you're not subscribing. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and let me know your thoughts, what you think of this look. Would you try this? Would you rock this? Anyway guys, I will see you in the next video tomorrow, maybe. Bye guys.